Namaste. My name is Sandeep Solanki. Today we are going to learn Marjaryasana, or also called as cow and cat pose. Marjaryasana is an asana that helps to bring mobility in the spine, and not only in the spine but also in the pelvis. In our modern day life, a lot of time we stand in one position for too long and putting weight more on one side of the body. And that's the reason why one side of the spine starts becoming a little shorter or stiffer. At the same time, the pelvis position tends to be in one position for too long, either too much anterior, too much posterior. We want to move this. We want to move the spine at the same time the pelvic region also. And that's the reason why this particular stretch or this particular asana can be very good to bring the mobility in the spine at the same time in the pelvis. When we do this, the anterior muscles can get stretched, which is in front from the throat down from to the pelvic region, and also the posterior muscles, which is from the neck down to the tailbone region, can stretch nicely. When we practice this, we have to keep in mind that little by little we have to increase the range in such a way that at no point of time we feel strain, especially in the lower back. When we feel strain in the lower back, we have to just take care and not to exceed beyond that point. There is a difference between the stretch and there is a difference between a pain. So understand, be a little sensitive to understand what is stretch and what is pain, and don't overdo it. Let's see what's the position of this Marjaryasana or cow and cat pose. So we will come on the fours, also called as coming to a tabletop position. So we come to a tabletop position. Now where we should place the palm? The distance between the palm should be according to the shoulder width, and fingers are little engaged so that there is no strain coming on the wrist joint, and the distance between the knee is according to the hip width. This is the distance. Now the question comes, how much should be the distance between the palm and the knee? Because few people, when they keep the hands too close, they can feel a little strained. When few people keep their hands too much away from the knee, they cannot feel the stretch as effectively. So the distance between the palm and the knee is according to the length of your trunk. The body will look like a table actually in this, and that's the reason why it is also called as a tabletop position. Now when we start, we will start with inhalation going into a cow pose. So when we inhale, we lift the chin up, we lift the chest up, and then we press the lower back down. And when we exhale, we will exhale by lifting the lower back up, middle back up, lifting the upper back up, and then trying to bring the chin down to the chest. So it's like convexing and concaving the spine. And we will synchronize this with breathing. Easy to understand this, when we inhale, we move from up to down, from the head to the chest to the lower back, and when we exhale, we will move from down to up, from the lower back, middle back, upper back, and then into the head. We will repeat this for at least about 3 times. When you do it on your own, if you do from about 5 to 10 times, it will be nice. Feel the stretch in the back muscles and the front muscles, the anterior muscles and the posterior muscles, and also the movement happening in the spine and the pelvis. So when I inhale, I will lift the chin, chest up and press the lower back belly into the floor. When I exhale, I lift the middle lower back up, upper back up, and bring the chin down to the chest. This is a cat pose. Inhalation going into a cow pose, exhalation coming to a cat pose. Do this for some time, maybe about 5 to 7 repetitions. This will increase the mobility in the spine and also increase the mobility in the pelvis. I believe you're liking our videos, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get new videos also. If you like the video, hit the like button. And thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any comments, please do write to us. We will revert back to you. Thank you. Namaste.